Hey guys, today we are making instant microwave sambar. This is a quick and easy sambar if you have this dal powder. This is just tur dal that's been dry roasted and powdered. You can watch the video here. I have taken 3 tablespoons of the dal powder, 2 teaspoons of sambar powder and a pinch of turmeric powder. You might need to adjust the sambar powder quantity according to your personal taste. Here I have about a cup of plantain that's been chopped into very small pieces. And I have 1 tomato that I have chopped. You need water and salt. We also need tamarind paste and cilantro. I have taken about a tablespoon of the paste. I'll later taste the sambar, and if I need more, I'll add more. I have 4 cups of hot water. I'm going to use 1 cup to mix it in with the dal powder. I'm going to mix this well and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until the plantain gets cooked. I'm going to microwave the plantain along with the tomatoes and about a cup of water. I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes. Alright guys, our plantain is cooked. It took about 7 minutes in my microwave. As you can see, it's cooked really good. The dal powder is well hydrated now. So I'm going to add the sambar powder and the turmeric into the dal mixture. Give it a good mix. Just make sure the sambar powder doesn't lump. I already added the dal mixture into the vegetables. Now I'm going to add enough salt and the tamarind paste. Mix it well. I'm going to microwave this for 3 more minutes. Okay guys, it's a good idea to taste the sambar now. I need a bit more salt and tamarind paste. Just half a tablespoon. I'm adding a small piece of palm sugar. Now this is totally optional. I'm going to microwave this for another 2 minutes. Since I added the tamarind paste, I just want to get rid of the raw smell of the tamarind paste. Our sambar is almost done guys. Now the only thing left is the seasoning, and that's something we have to do on the stove top. I have 2 teaspoons of oil heating here, and I'm going to add some mustard, cumin and fenugreek seeds. You can also add curry leaves. I don't have any at home today. And some onions. I'll fry until the onions are translucent and then add it into the sambar. I'm going to garnish it with some cilantro. Here you go guys. Our instant microwave sambar is ready. It took just 15 minutes from start to finish. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and thanks for watching.